Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, or good afternoon, depending on when you're going to listen to this video. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, I am so happy to have you here. My name is Dawn. I'm a mom. I have two boys and I'm expecting a girl this time around. She's coming soon. And I'm also a small business owner. There you go. I create stuff like this Christmas ornaments because it's Christmas time. I was doing a reel for my Instagram, so that's why it's still there. And I do have more here. I haven't made a video of this, but oh yeah, that's my kid. That's what I'm planning on doing, so I can show you the whole set. And if you want to go get it, it's already listed on my website. But anyway, I don't want to make this video too long. My stuff right here, I don't usually work in this room. This is the kids playroom, but my son is doing virtual school, like he does school on, at home. You might hear in the background. So I just brought everything up here so I can put the yarn here up there to be able to hang it like I did it here. So but I do have a little unboxing and I wanted to film it. So yeah, yeah, of course. I mentioned I'm a mom and I run a small business, so whenever I film, we just speak French at home, so whenever I film he comes here to kind of speak English and stuff. But anyways, so here is my other unboxing from AliExpress. I wanted to open it in front of you so you guys can see it. I mentioned it in my last video. I am gathering material for my 2022 collection because I always launch one collection, like my first collection, in January. So I'm getting ready to do that. So I'm gathering all the material that I need. And also because I'm doing February, I want to have a collection up there. I want to have, you know, product available. So if I'm too tired to create anything, at least I got to create something. So that's what I'm working on right now. And then I ordered a bunch of stuff from AliExpress. If you haven't seen the other items, I will suggest that you go watch my other videos. This is just a small part from a lot of things that I'm waiting for. And I also have a fabric mat cloth haul coming up for you guys because I did get new fabric for the new collection, which I'm super excited about. And if you don't know, my fabric comes directly from Mali, which is in Africa. My brother went there this summer, so he brought me, I think he brought me 8 or 10 pieces. I would have wanted more, but that's sad. So anyway, we're not gonna dwell on that. So let's just open this. And so what are these, if you're wondering? They're just a bunch of jewelries because I do have this new design in my mind, in my head, and it's very different from anything that I've ever made ever. And so I just ordered a bunch of jewelries because I want to include jewelries with that design. So this is just a couple of the pieces. I ordered a lot more pieces just because, you know, I didn't know how they were gonna look, so I figured the more the merrier. So let's open it. My tripod is all the way in the basement, so I only have one hand. So bear with me. There we go. Okay, so I went ahead and I opened everything, and okay, à première vue, like we say in French, from the first glance, I love it. Really love the way it looks. I'm happy. It's so funny. I was just painting with my kid, but it's funny because I think every single time, almost all the time that I film, I always have paint on my hand. It's just so funny. I like the way it looks. So I like the way it looks. I was a little bit worried that it will be heavy, too heavy, but it's not heavy like that. So I'm super excited. I just love it. Let's see. Okay. That's my kids teacher talking. It looks exactly like what I expected. So these two came together, so when you buy them it comes together. I only got two because I wasn't sure of, you know, how it was gonna be like. So I wanted to just buy one order, and then if I like it, if I need more, then I can go back and get more. But this is how it looks like. This is another shape. Really like it. Oh, I'm so happy because this is really just gonna work into my design that I'm not gonna show you now anyways, but I've already designed the collection. I just needed a piece like this, and I was really looking forward to seeing this. It's really not heavy, so I think it's a plus because I'm gonna be adding to it. So this is how it looks like. So happy. This one here is a little bit heavier than everything else. Like you can feel a little bit of weight, whereas these, yeah, they're fine, but this has a little bit more weight. Love it. I love the finishing of it. Love the finishing of it. My other kid is here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This is the back. And I also have 2 pieces of these. Absolutely in love with my haul. So that's it. That's everything I received this time around, but I do have a lot more. I'm waiting for it to arrive. It's en route, and most of it are already at the border. It's just waiting to be cleared. But I'm super excited. I cannot wait to get into creating. Oh my gosh. Anyways, so if you don't follow me on Instagram, I'll leave my Instagram link down below. I also created a TikTok account because why not? So if you want to go follow me on TikTok as well, show me some love. And just a friendly reminder that the 50% off sale continues or started earlier, so that way you have time to get your gift, your present for anybody you're getting present for, and you know, guarantee that everything arrives on time without any shipping delays. So I'll leave the link to my store down below, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and subscribe. And yeah, looking forward to sharing more videos with you. The next video is probably going to be my fabric haul, but I don't want to promise because I do have a bunch of videos that I want to create, and we'll see what happens. So thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.